In today's video, I will show you how to delete Reddit account permanently. Firstly, log into your Reddit account. Then on top right, click on your profile. In drop-down menu, click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down to the bottom and click on Delete Account. If you are using Reddit with your Google account and don't have real Reddit password, then you will need to create one. Press Continue in pop-up. Now go to your email and in Reddit email, click on link to reset password. Type your passwords twice and press Set Password. Then again, go back to Settings and scroll to the bottom where is Delete Account button. And now when you press Delete Account, you need to type your username, which you can see in right top, and password you just set. Then click on checkmark and press Delete. In new pop-up, press Delete. And that's it, your account is deleted. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.